everyone, it's Macaron GK with a new unboxing of E2046's Antihero Trick or Miku Recast Resin Kit.
This kit comes nicely packaged in their signature yellow box and bubble wrap. It comes with a photo of the finished model, a parts list, instructions on how to put it together, a how-to on how to use the included water slide decals, and the sheet of decals themselves. Some kits don't include instructions, and some do. This kit has 58 total pieces, so I'm definitely going to need this. This particular kit included eye decals and decals for her clothes, so it can stay true to the original PVC figure. I'm going to mess around with the color scheme on this figure, so I may or may not need these. It has instructions on where all 58 little pieces go. Some are for the figure of Miku herself, and some are for the base, like the clear rods. Even though the pieces were packaged like this, nothing was broken. This kit was very cleanly cast, and is actually one of E's rare kits that has had its parts test fitted before being shipped, so I'll have to check it out later when I remove all the tabs. All the pieces have very crisp and clear detail, including the mask, her hair, sleeves, base, and tiny pieces that go on the base. Just look at this wonderful detail. Having the kit in pieces makes it easier to paint, but it's more work putting it together. Some clear parts were included for the base so she can balance. Did I mention the tabs are nice, small, and easy to remove? Use side cutters and an X-Acto knife to remove these small tabs carefully. Well, that's it for this unboxing. I hope you liked it and there's more to come soon. Please subscribe to this channel as I'll have more videos, including works in progress in the future. See you guys.